Good morning, everybody. I am getting ready to go do all the animals. It is Saturday. And it's a chilly morning, but it's supposed to warm up a little bit and be nice. Hey, Repo, get out of the pig bucket. What are you doing? No, sir. No. He's constantly taking things. Maybe that's why his name is Repo. And his morning chafe. Such a silly boy. Probably should just put it somewhere else so he doesn't constantly eat half of what I'm trying to put in the bucket. Stop it, go! What are you doing? It's good for him, so let's just oh. Hey, okay, thanks. Thank you. What a mess. So my goal today is to get this porch cleaned up because there's chafe all over the ground. And it's disgusting. Not the chafe, but my porch is a mess. So, good morning, everyone. Birdie, please don't come out here and bark. Morning, ladies. Hi, it's nice and crunchy out here. And hello. All right, let's get some chafe from my boy. It's cold. It's hard to do this with one hand sometimes. Here you go. Here, back it up. Oh, look. Carol Baskin is on the nest. Are you laying me an egg or are you going broody on me, girl? Don't be going broody on me. We do not have a rooster at the moment. So, that would be kind of silly of her. Woo, all right. Hey, goat girls. So yesterday, I was looking out the back window and good morning, I'm coming. And I saw a coyote standing in the goat fence. And it really freaked me out. And my special dogs were both in the backyard and just sitting there staring at the coyote. And the goats were just staring at the coyote and everybody's just looking at the coyote. I have no idea why nobody was freaking out about it. Like, you would think a dog would be like freaking out. I mean, they bark at everything, but not a coyote that's in the goat fence. It's like, if there's gonna be one thing you're gonna bark at, that's what I want you to bark at. Not the wind, not kids running down the hallway. So, and this is also in the middle of broad daylight, and that kind of worries me a little bit. So I don't know if something just spooked it and it started running, but yeah, no, that's not cool. Hopefully it's gone, it won't come back, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, ladies, I'll be back in a little bit to check on y'all. I just gotta keep feeding everyone. It's just that time. Whew. I should have put another layer on. Right. Bunnies, and then yummy pig food. Get these bunnies taken care of real quick. Back inside. This isn't going to be a really long vlog today because my big girls are spending the night and it's just me and the baby today. So I'm only going to have, I don't have any helpers. I don't have any of my helpers today. Hello, bun buns. Hello, bunny bunnies. Hi, good morning. You knocked your water over. So that was kind of silly. What did y'all do? You knocked your water over too. Everybody just knocked water over today. I don't understand. Well, we all have food, so I'll be back. Because now I gotta go get a bucket of water. Whew. I'm coming, pigs, I'm coming. They are ready for some food. And we're also moving the pigs today, so I might get that recorded. Hopefully we can make that happen. James will be getting home a little early today, and that is the plan because they need to be moved to fresh ground. Oh, it's so crunchy. Oh, look at all that frozen mud. Everybody's got some frozen mud. It is supposed to be a little bit warmer today, so that is nice. Turn this bad boy off. Of course, it's frozen. All right, so let's just lay it over. Plug it back in when we're done. And let's feed them. This super yummy pig food comes from our neighbor's mom, who volunteers at a homeless shelter, and the stuff that they're not able to use goes in this bucket to these sweet little babies back here, and we are super appreciative of that. So are they. They really like it. Let's see if we can get these babies fed. Okay, whoa! Kiwi, goodness gracious. Kiwi's a favorite. Kiwi kills everybody's food. Sorry, did I get that on your head a little bit? I didn't mean to get that on your head. Here, there's some more. Come on. Come on. Is it delicious? You just got a little bit on your head right there. Mmm, is it good? They're so funny. I love listening to them eat. Smack their lips so much. Kiwi, is it yummy? Penelope! Penelope, is that super yummy? I think they approve. All right. I just can't wait for spring. I don't like it. Oh, it's like the older I get, it just like hurts my bones to be this cold. I know a lot of other people have a lot colder temperatures right now. And speaking of colder temperatures across the country and all the snow people have been getting, I got an email saying my eggs are delayed. My quail eggs were supposed to be here yesterday, and I had the incubator going, ready, warmed up, humidity right, and then I got that email. I'm so sad because now, depending on what time they get here, I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be too late to incubate them, because you're supposed to do it within 7 days of them being laid, because if you go past 7 days, it might not be viable. So we shall see. All right, back inside, and we are going to check on our inside animals. Me and the little one, she loves looking at the baby chicks, don't you? Do you love the baby chicks? Yeah. All right, let's see. Everybody's looking okay. I think we need some fresh water. Fill up their food thing. The ducks are good. Hey, babies. Ducks are so messy. I have to clean their box like 2 times a day. I can't wait for you guys to go outside. Yes. What do you think? What do you think about them? Are you going to enjoy their eggs? Yeah. So sweet. So sweet. Hello. And these ducks are some of the friendliest ducks I've ever had, and I'm pretty excited about them because we got some ducks last year and they were not friendly, and coyotes wound up getting them, and that was really sad. So we'll have to have a better duck setup this year. So I would love to have some duck eggs, so hopefully we got some girls in there. We shall see. Well, like I said, this is going to be a short video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey guys, y'all ready to be moved? All right, we're about to move the pigs. They need some fresh ground, so we're gonna work on that. Yeah, here, hold the bread.